Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve the Windows error reporting event ID error message 1001 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the error message might say in capital letters WER underscore EL underscore bucket underscore log. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. We are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, or come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'll have a couple commands in the description of my video here, guys. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and paste that in, hit enter, give this a few minutes to run. And once that scan has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. It's a system file checker utility scan and give us a couple minutes to run as well. Once that has completed, go ahead and close out of here. And you want to restart your computer. And there you go. Hopefully this point issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.